Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project we have learned that how to build icons with HTML and CSS, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now in this project we will learn that how to build bar charts with HTML and CSS, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you are enjoying all previous project of HTML and CSS. So let's start. Now here you can see that I have just made it this bar chart over here. You can see, okay, so it is really animated. Here you can see it is just going up and down with animation. Okay, so I have just put animated in it. Okay, so from that it is just going animation. Okay, it is going up and down. Here you can see the last one is going really down, then the first one is going top of them. Okay, so over here we will just make that. Okay, so first of all, for making that we have to just go out and we have to just minimize this, and I will just go to my brackets text editor. Over here you can see that. Okay, so over here I will just come over here you can see I have just already made it two files over here, which is called chart.html and chart.css. Okay, so I will just work with that over here. Okay, so over here I will do one thing. Okay, so I will just take it to top over here. Okay, so it should be correct. Okay, so over here you can see, okay, I have just made it these both files. So over here I will do one thing, that I will just first of all I have to make two classes over here. Okay, so first of all I will just make the class of like div, and now in this I will just make the class of main div. Okay, so I will add main div, and now when you have done that all, okay, so we have just made it the class of main div successfully. Okay, so now in here you have to just make the bars. Okay, so here you don't have to write any bar chart or anything, you have to just make the class again. So now over here our class will be of bar. Okay, so our class will be of bar only. So I will just press tab, so my class will automatically has been come with my tag. Okay, so we will also use the productivity checker like previously we have done, okay, in many classes. So over here I will just use that also. So over here we have just made it like div class bar, and now in this I will just write another class. Now it should be of face. Okay, so I will just press tab, and over here I will just copy this face class and I will just paste it three times over here. Okay, so I will just have pasted it three times successfully. Here you can see that. Okay, so over here I will also paste that five times. Okay, so this is one time, then I will just paste it four times more, so it should be of five. Okay, so over here we have to just paste it five times because we have to just make five bar charts. Okay, over here we have to just do that, and over here I will just press enter, and now I will paste that. Okay, like I have telling you, then over here I will also paste, then over here also I will paste. Okay, so over here I have just pasted that. Over here you can see div bar, then over here in the second, then third over here, and then the fourth one. Okay, it is good. Okay, so over here you have to just take care of one thing, you have to just not check the live preview over here, because if you have checked it, so it will be not working for that. Okay, so this is really good if you not check your live preview. Okay, so I will just take to you coding. Okay, so if you are having any mistakes, so we will check that out in the later when we have just done that. Okay, so over here I have just made it this bar. Okay, here you can see that bar one I have just made it. So over here I will do one thing, I will just paste that another time also. Okay, so over here I have just pasted five times. Okay, here you can see that five times I have pasted over here. So over here I will first of all save that. Okay, so it should be saved over here, and over here it is looking good. Okay, so over here you have to just not change any class of second, third and fourth or fifth. Okay, so these all should be same over here. So because we have to just change the color, so we will do that later on. Okay, so over here I will just do like that, and first of all I will just zoom in so you can see my codes over here. Okay, so I will just I will just do like that. Okay, so I will just zoom in also. Okay, so here you can see now it is really zoom and you can see all the codes. Okay, here you can see. So over here I will just come and I will just write like over here I will just only write one thing, which is called body. Okay, so I will write the body tag over here. Okay, so I will write body, and now in this body tag I will write margin. Okay, so I want the margin should be 0, like when we written like shift and 8 with the sign of that, so I write the margin of 0 and padding of 0, but I will just only write margin of 0, padding should be from above. Okay, so I don't want padding 0. Okay, so over here I will also give it the height, so I give the height of 100 vh. Okay, like previously I have written, but you have to just take care of one thing, you don't write min height. Okay, so this is really difference between like height and min height is different from each other, so you have to write height and 100 vh. Okay, so over here I will just write background. Okay, so background color I want just like 3b 3A and 3A. Okay, like that I want. Okay, so first of all I will write 3B over here and A over here. Okay, so now it is good. Okay, so now if I show you, okay, so over here I will just, you have to check that one time. Here you can see the color is like some of the black. Okay, here you can see that. So I will just come over here, and now over here I will just write over here. First of all I have to write overflow. Okay, so I will write overflow should be hidden. And now in this overflow I have to write another thing. Okay, so the thing should be of like, now overflow we have also written, so I will just write the align items. Okay, so it should be in center over here, so I want that into center. Then I want my justify content should be also in center. Okay, and over here I will just write the width. Okay, so I want the width of my bar chart. Okay, you can write the different width we want, like I will just write 100% over here, and height also. Okay, so I will also write the height should be also of 100%. Okay, so here you don't have to give any color. Okay, because with the productivity checker, like I have telling you, we will use that. So I have just already given the color from there. Okay, so you can also give your colors if you want from here. Okay, so I will just give that color. I will just show you how to do that. So over here I have just written width and height also. Okay, and I have just written many things, align and overflow also should be hidden. So now here I have to do one thing. I will just write over here now div. Okay, so now in this div I will just write first of all position, and I want the position of absolute. Then I want another thing which is called like top. Okay, so I want the top of 50%. Okay, and left of 50% also. Okay, so just I will do like that. And now over here I will just write margin also, which will be 0 over here also. And now I have just written this, and I will just write main div. Okay, so now with that main div, first of all you have to write dot because it is a class over here, and I will just write this curly brackets, and now in here I will just write transform. Okay, and now I will write over here scale, and now in this scale I will just write 1.2 like previously we have written, and I will write transform, and now I will write transform 3D. Okay, so now in transform, okay, so here if you erase that, and if you again write transform translate. Okay, so translate 3D you have to write, not transform. Okay, so it is mistake over here. Okay, so over here you have to write translate 3D, and now in this I will write 50%, and I will write minus 25 EM. Okay, so I will just write like that, and over here I will again write 50%, but now I will just do like that, and now over here I will write calc. Okay, so I will write calc over here because I want this width over here should be in one line over here. Okay, so my bar chart should be looking good, and these all are having animations also. Okay, so over here I will just write display flags like we have written, and I will also write the object. Okay, object fit, and I will write over here contain or cover. You can also write, but cover is good. Okay, you don't have to write contain. Okay, so over here I have just write it cover, and here display of flags over here. And now here you have to do one thing. You have to just come over here and write over here flags wrap. Okay, so write over here flags wrap over here. Okay, here you can see flags wrap over here it is, and here you have to write wrap only. So over here I have just done my work over here, and I will also write text align. Okay, so my bar should be in center. Okay, so over here I have just written that, and now I will just come over here, and I will just write over here dot main div, and I will write div, and now in the front of it there I will write nchild1, and then I will just write like that, and now in here I will write transform, and I will write translate again, and now in here I will write 0.2, and I will just write like that. And now over here I have to do one thing. I will just write again, press enter. Okay, so now here I will write WebKit. Okay, so I will write WebKit, and I will just write over here filter, and now in this filter I will write brightness. Okay, so I will write brightness. So first of all you have to write brightness, and now I want the brightness of 0.7, and over here I will also write the brightness again. Okay, so I want the brightness again. So over here you have to just erase this, and now write over here like animation name. Okay, so now here I will write none, and now here we have just done our work till over here. I will just do one thing. I will copy this and a child over here. Okay, and I will just paste that. Okay, because I want this nth child in every bar chart which we are making. Okay, so I will just write 2 over here, then 3 because we are making 5, so I will just write 4, and now I will just paste the fifth one also. So I have just written 5. So now over here I will just change to 5, and now I will just change it to 4 over here, and now over here I will do one thing. I will just change it to like 2.4, and here I will just change it to 2.7, and over here you have to also change. Okay, just take care of that things. And now over here I have to do like, I will just change it to 3, and now over here 3 also, and now over here it should be 3.2, and over here also 3.2. okay, so just you should have to control Z, you have to press. Okay, so it should be now undo over here. So over here control Z. Okay, so this is incorrect, so I will just change it to 3, and over here I will just change it to 0.7. so now it is good, so I will just save from here. Okay, so now it has good, but now here we have to just have to write more wording over here. Okay, so first of all, here you can see we have just written this chart over here, 1 2 3 4 and 5 over here. Now here we have to write more and a child, but now it should be different. Okay, so we have just written that, and now I will just come over here, I will add dot main div, then I will add div, and now I will add nth child again, and now I will add 1. Now in here I will just add transform. Okay, and I will write over here translate, and now in here I will add 0.1, and now over here I will copy this transform. Okay, over here, and I will just paste that over here, and I will just change it to 3. Then I will just change it to translate 3D. Okay, so I will just write translate 3D, and now over here I have just done my vertical over here, save that all, and over here you can see. Okay, so now it is done. So I will just do one thing, I will copy this main div again. Okay, because I have to just take it to 5, I have just written that one time over here, then paste that. Okay, so we have to just paste that 5 times. Here you can see I have just pasted that. Okay, so here we have just done our work till over here. I will just write 5, then 4 over here. Okay, so this backward counting. Okay, so over here I will just write 2, and 1 is already written, so I don't have to write. Okay, so just erase that extra one. Okay, so over here I will just save, and now I will do one thing, I will just come over here, and I will just write over here. Okay, so now it is good, so I will just change it to 1. Okay, and over here I will copy this. Okay, so I will just paste that over here, I will change it to 2. Okay, so now it is good, I will just change it to 3, and it should be also, I want to 3 over here. Okay, so now I will just change it to 4 this one, and 4 this one, then I will just change it to 4.2 over here, and 4.2 over here. Okay, so here close that again. Okay, because it was just erased from here. So over here I have just done my work till over here, I will just save. Okay, so now here you can see just I have done my work till over here. Okay, so now here when you have done these all things over here. Okay, so over here you have to come, and now you have to add main div again, and in this main div I will just write opacity. Okay, so I will add the opacity of 0.1, and I will just write that. Okay, so here you can also add 1. Okay, so but I will add 1. Okay, so now it is good. So now here I will translate transform origin. Okay, so I will add transform origin should be from center. Okay, and now over here I will also write one thing which is called like translate. Okay, so we have written that, and delay, translate or transform delay, it was not translate. Okay, so I will write transform delay. Okay, so just erase this, and now I will write transform style. Okay, so over here I have written transform style, which should be perspec and preserve and 3D. Okay, and over here I will just come, and I will write over here transform again. Okay, and now that I want the transform spelling should be correct, and I want it to delay. Okay, so just erase that from here, and I will just write over here like in opacity. Okay, so just I will do like that, and I will just save. Okay, so over here I have to do one thing, like when you have done your work till over here. Okay, so just we have just done till over here, and I will just write over here width also. Okay, so width should be also 100 VH. Okay, because I want like height and width should be perfect of all of them, but I will just change the width and height of different. Okay, so it is automatically, you have to don't change it again and again. Okay, so I will just erase this. Okay, so over here you have to write min height. Okay, so there is a problem because I have already written height over here, which is of 100 VH, and I will just change it to min width, and I will just write over here width. Okay, and I will just change it to 100 VH over here. Okay, so this just it is done, and now you have to save that and come over here, write over here overflow again, and over here it should be also hidden. Okay, so overflow should be not good for them. Okay, so I have just written that to hide that. Okay, and over here I will write again div. Okay, so here I will just do like that, I have to write div like that, and now just erase this dot because div is not any class, it is a tag over here. Okay, so I will just write like that, and I will just write over here like transform origin, then I will write transform transition duration. Okay, so here you have to also write the duration, so I will write 0.2s. Okay, So just I will let 0.2 as linear infinite, okay, because I want my transition should be infinite, it should be not stop, okay, in any point it should be not stop over here. So I will just write over here cursor pointer, okay. So I will write cursor should be pointer, and over here I will just write another thing which is called object position, which should be center, okay. Means your object which you are making, like we are making bar chart, so it should be in center, okay. So now if I save and show you over here, okay, so over here, just come over here, here you can see how good it is looking, okay. Here you can see that, just I will take it to zoom, okay, so you can see it perfectly. So over here you can see we have getting transition over here you can see now it is infinite, it is not stopping in any point. Here you can see that, okay, it is just going up and down with animation. Here you can see it is also having a box shadow in the down. Here you can see it is coming, okay. Here you can see that down enough. Here you can see, so over here it is also having a box shadow and it is looking really good over here. You can see that, okay. So here you can see we have just successfully made it our bar charts, okay, with animation. And I hope you also enjoyed this project like you're enjoying my previous project of HTML and CSS, okay. So just you have to practice this all project we are working with of HTML and CSS, okay. And I hope you all will be a good programmer of HTML and CSS also like you are of Python. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.